Welcome to DashProtec PH, where we offer stylish and high-quality dashboard protection options to fit every make and model of car. Crafted with top-tier, high-quality materials, these covers resist daily wear and tear, guaranteeing a durable investment for your vehicle. Safeguard your car's interior from the tropical sun with our dash covers designed for ultimate heat and UV protection. Engineered with precision, our covers act as a formidable shield, deflecting the harsh sun rays that can cause fading, deterioration, and discomfort. Narrator, for a touch of personalization and style, our dash covers undergo an embroidery process. This can include car logos, intricate patterns, or personalized designs based on customer preferences. Customer satisfaction is our top goal. Narrator, customer satisfaction is our top goal. We work hard to deliver the greatest products and services, ensuring our clients are satisfied. We are honored that you selected us. Closing scene with DashProtec PH logo. Narrator, upgrade your ride with DashProtec PH, where quality meets style.